Hello.
Hello, welcome. How can I assist you?
Do you have gulab jamun?
Yes, but not the tin one. We only have the dry mix ready to make powder packs.
That's fine. Which brand is it?
This one is from Quality. Haldiram is currently out of stock.
Okay, then give me one pack of quality, please.
Sure. Anything else?
I want 4 packets of Maggi noodles, the normal masala flavor.
Of course. Here 4 packets of magic masala.
Great. Do you have fruity juice?
Yes. We have 200 ml bottles and 1 liter packs. Which side would you like?
I will take 3 bottles of 200 ml, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Do you have sauces?
Yes, we have tomato ketchup, chili sauce and Szechuan sauce.
Okay, then give me 1 small packet of tomato ketchup and 1 small packet of Szechuan sauce.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much for everything?
Let me check. 340 rupees.
Here's 340.
Your change, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good morning. Do you have fresh vegetables today?
Good morning, ma'am. All the vegetables here are fresh.
What is the rate of tomato?
40 rupees per kg.
That's a bit expensive. Can you give it for 30 rupees?
Sorry, ma'am. The market price is high today. I can give you for 35 rupees.
All right, give me 1 kilo. And do you have cucumber?
Yes, ma'am. Do you want anything else, ma'am?
1 kg onions, potatoes, and brinjals, please.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, take some green peas and carrots. These are also fresh.
No, I don't need those at present. I already have at home. Do you have cauliflower?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, take some green leaves, also fresh.
Okay, give me some coriander leaves and some green chilies also.
Okay, ma'am. Price food. Ma'am, 200 only.
Okay.
We'll give it all this.
Please take your 200 rupees.
Thank you, ma'am. Please do come again.
Yeah, sure.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my shop. And how can I help you today?
Walaikum Assalam. I am looking for a new dress for a wedding. Something in a nice cotton and fabric. Preferably not too heavy.
Certainly, ma'am. I have a wide collection of cotton dresses. What color and style are you thinking of?
It likes something in a light shade. Maybe a pastel pink or light green. Something with some embroidery or lace detailing.
Let me show you some options that might suit your preferences.
Oh, this one is very lovely. I love this embroidery and lace detailing. Do you have this large size?
Let me check. Yes, I do. Do you want to try it on, ma'am?
Yes, please.
How does it fit, ma'am?
It fit perfectly. I love this embroidery and lace detailing. I will take this one.
Awesome, ma'am. What about any other accessories?
I think silver earring will go with this dress.
Certainly, ma'am. I have several beautiful designs of earrings. I am glad I could help with finding the same dress and earrings for you.
Thank you. You have been very helpful.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. How can I help you? Hi, good evening. I want a mobile cover for my phone. Which mobile do you have? I have iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, great. We have a variety of cover for that model. Do you prefer silicone case, hard work or something more stylish? I want stylish but also protective. Okay. Here are some cover and stylish and protective also. These cover are so simple. I want some designer cover. Okay. See, these are designer cover are more protective and waterproof also. I like this cover and this is matching on my mobile also. So, what is the price of this cover? Price of this cover is 800. Okay. I want mobile charm also. Okay. You can see there are so many charms. I want this one. Okay. Could you give me discount? Sure, I will give you 200 discount. Okay. So what is the price altogether? 1300. Oh. You have online? Yes. There is a scanner. Okay. Done. Pack for me this one. Okay. How was your experience? My experience is very good to visiting this shop. Visit next time. Bye. Of course, bye.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Amira Collection. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I am looking for some simple and elegant suit for Eid.
Yeah, ma'am. There are very beautiful lawn suits with light embroidery and perfect for Eid. So, what color do you prefer?
I like white color.
Okay, so here's our white color suits with the hand stitch embroidery and the fabric is very soft.
It's nice, but can I get more special?
Yeah, ma'am. There are more. What about this one?
Let me show. Amazing. I love it. What is the price of it?
Its price just 4K.
It seems high for lawn suit.
Ma'am, it has hand stitch embroidery and the fabric is very soft and prices usually fluctuated because of Eid.
I understand demand goes up, but 4,000 is still expensive. Similar suit I saw in another shop is 3,000 rupees.
Ma'am, those might be machine embroidery and lower quality fabric, but we offer better quality and our motto is customer satisfaction.
But 4,000 is still steep. Can I get more offer?
I can give you discount, so I can give you 10% discount, so it will bring it down to 3,600 rupees.
Okay, I am hoping something close to 3,000 rupees because it is very expensive to all the preparation.
Okay, let me see. I can give you 15% discount, so it will bring it down to 3,400 rupees. It's the best I can do because you are our regular customer.
Okay, thank you. Pack it.
Okay, I will prepare it for you.
Can I pay online?
Yeah, here's a scanner.
Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I am looking for a formal shirt for an event.
Sure, sir. What's your size and which color of shirt do you want?
I prefer blue, size medium.
Sure, sir. Sir, this is 100% cotton shirt.
That's good. How much does it cost?
Sir, this cost is 1200 rupees, but our shop 5th anniversary, so you get 30% off.
That's nice. Can I try it?
Sure, sir, you can try it. Dressing room is there.
Yeah. It fits perfectly. I will take it.
Sure, sir. Do you want anything else?
Maybe next time. Just the shirt for now.
Will you pay by cash and card?
Card, please.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Visit again.
Welcome.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I help you? I want some good qualities of makeup and jewelry. In which range you want cosmetic, jewelries as well as cream? Maximum to maximum 400 to 500 I want. Okay, firstly you can try it, then purchase it.
Okay, show me it.
This is nude lipstick of Lakme brand. This is very famous for its good quality of product.
Okay, what is its cost?
It cost around 400 rupees.
Oh, it's too costly. I want some discount on it anyhow.
Lastly, I can give this 350 rupees minimum to minimum.
Okay, do you have any good qualities of face cream?
Yes, we have several popular brands of product. Are you looking for something specific like oily skin and dry skin?
I have oily skin. I need something that control my oil and give matte finish.
In that case, I recommend this cream. This is very good for your skin and it's great for oily skin.
Good. What is its cost?
It is 499 and we have a small size travel pack for 250 rupees.
I will take a bigger one. Do you have any good quality of kajal?
Yes, this is one from Lakme. This is very great brand. It is smudge proof and waterproof as well as is long lasting up to 12 hours.
Perfect. I will take this. Please bill me both the items.
So that will be 499 for your cream and 180 for your kajal. Your total bill is 679.
Thank you for your service.
Welcome. Have a great day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our jewelry shop. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a gift for my daughter. Do you have any suggestion?
Of course, we have a many selection of necklace, earrings, and bracelet. I'll show you. Both are elegant.
I am thinking of buying a cute pendant for her.
Excellent choice. Let me show your cute pendant. Here's a few piece of pendant that might be perfect for her. It's simple but very elegant.
That looks beautiful. Can I see matching earrings if you have any?
Yes, I have matching earrings. I'll show you.
I think these would be lovely together. What this price for what?
The pendant price is 1000 rupees and the earring price is 500 rupees. Together they will be 1500 rupees.
It is nice, but price seems a bit high.
Ma'am, I understand, but we have a reasonable price. But I can try to make a reduced price. Let me check. Ma'am, I can bring down 1200 only.
All right, 1200 it is. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Thank you for your purchase, ma'am. I'll pack it up and get your bill ready. Ma'am, would you like some tea or coffee?
No, thanks. Thank you for asking.
Let's get some waffles.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's have some.
Either we should choose from Big Creamy or from Conical
Maybe
Coffee.
from Conical Coffers because they have some good low costing and a good quality also.
So I agree with you, but there are many options. So what
Let's
we
see and
should
choose it.
Okay, let's do.
Guys, why are you looking so confused? May I help you? Yeah, we need your help.
What
How
is
can
the
I help
bestseller
you?
waffle?
Our bestseller waffle is Nutella waffle, but I don't like Nutella. Which chocolate do you like? Which chocolate do you have? I have 3 types of chocolate. One is dark and second is milk and third is white. So what do you want?
I'll have dark chocolate.
In dark chocolate, I will suggest you triple chocolate.
So I'll have a triple chocolate.
In triple chocolate, we put dark chocolate chip. You like it?
Yes, I like it. One give you triple chocolate.
But I need something special. In special, I will suggest you Lotus Biscoff Caramel. Which topping do you use on it? In Lotus Biscoff waffle, we put Lotus Crush and Lotus syrup on it. Okay, fine. I'll have one.
So we'll have 2 waffles. One will be triple chocolate and the second will be Lotus biscuit.
Okay. You want to eat here or want to parcel it? We won't eat here.
We will eat it.
We'll eat. Okay. Your order will be coming right up.
So okay.
What is our total amount? The total amount is 220. Okay. What are the payment sources? We have two payment sources. One is cash and second is online payment.
We'll do online payment.
We'll do online. Okay, your offer will be ready in 5 minutes. Okay, sure. We'll wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Is your offer? Please visit again, sir. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening. Good evening. What will you like to have? What items do you have? We have idli, plain dosa, masala dosa, onion dosa, vada, and all served with sambar and chutney. Okay, I will have 2 idli and 1 masala dosa. Sure. Would you like to have a drink, tea or coffee? Yes, 1 coffee please. Sure. Please have a seat. Your order will be complete just 5 minutes. The food was delicious. How much is the total? That will be 100 rupees in total. Thank you so much. Please visit again. Bye. Okay, bye.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have to buy a perfume.
Which type of perfume you want to buy, light or strong?
I like to buy light perfume.
Yes, sir. I have many pieces in light perfume in there, and there are three expensive perfume. Which one you want to buy?
I want to buy SRK perfume.
You want to buy SRK perfume, which is 1200 and 1400.
I want to buy 1200 price but 50 ml bottle.
You want to buy 50 ml?
Yes.
Yes, I give you. Sir, take your perfume.
Can you give me little discount?
This is fixed price, sir, but 10% for you.
Okay, thank you. Can you give me bill with this?
Sir, sorry, I do not have a paper to give a bill.
Okay, take your money.
Thank you, sir. Visit again. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
Good morning. I need few items for school. Do you have book and pens?
Yes, we have both. What size of book you want, A4 or small?
A4 will be fine. I will take 3 of those. And do you have gel pens?
Yes. We have a variety of gel pen. Which color you want? A single color pack or a multicolor pack?
I will take multicolor pack. And do you have any maths instrument?
Yes. Certainly, we have a geometry box from Camlin and Classmate. Which brand do you prefer?
I will go with Camlin. And also I need glue stick and a pair of scissors.
Yes. Here you go. Anything else?
That should be all. How much is the total?
Let me check. There will be rupees 325.
That's on a higher side. Please provide some discount.
Sir, however, I provide discount, but the price of login stationery here at Millat Nagar is very reasonable rate. I assure you, you can compare with any other stationery, but you will find this rate is most reasonable.
Okay, I trust you. You serving us since many years. Here it is a rupees 325.
This sharpener and eraser is complimentary for our being valuable customer to us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you? Yeah, good afternoon. Do you have A4 size notebooks? Yes, we do. We have double line, single line and plain. Which do you like? I want single line notebook. How much does it cost? They are 35 rupees each. If you take more than 5, I can give you a small discount. Okay, great. I will take six single line notebooks. And you have any ball pen? Yes. So which brand, sir? Do you have Lexi or Cello?
Lexi is 10 rupees and Cello is 12 rupees.
Okay, great. I will take 3 Lexis. And do you have any eraser?
Yes, sir. Eraser is 5 rupees.
Okay, I will take 1 eraser. What is the total amount?
The total amount is 245.
Yes.
I will you give a 5 rupees off, so it's 240.
Okay, thank you. Here is your money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I need some stationery item for school.
What do you need?
I need 2 pencil box and 2 notebook.
Okay. Ruled or plain?
Plain, please.
Okay. This is your notebooks and this is your pencil box with eraser and sharpener.
Thank you. I need blue pen.
How many do you want?
5.
Okay. These are your 5 pen.
Okay, thank you. What are your total price?
The total price is 150 rupees.
Here's money.
Thank you.